Hello guys, a new huge coin mining. Today also there is link of all mining coins, and I will explain another bot to get $4 for every 100 coin of this of the other bot. We explain now Wcoin bot. Like you see, it's a tapping bot. Like you see, you can use auto clicker to get coins. There is tasks. You claim your tasks like that. I already get my claims. You join, you upgrade like that. You can get your coins from here. Like you see, this is our bot. Here staking. If you collect a huge number of coins, you can stake here, and until withdrawal option will open. It's like notcoin. Here booster. After claiming a sufficient amount of coin, you can increase here your tapping every time. Here you can maximize charger worker. It's a autobot to get free coin for 182,000 coin. Lucky dice, we have 3 every day. Like you see, we collect like that. For 10 seconds we have this chance. You can daily you have 3 time. If we return, we have full battery. You can do 3 times daily. Full battery, it will make your energy full like that, and you collect your coins for tapping. For each +1 tap, it's have her price in coins. For working in this bot, you collect maximum number of coins. After that, you do this. You choose worker, a tapper when you offline. Also do tasks to collect maximum coins. In the corner here, in setting, you click. You choose your blockchain. I choose Ton. We save. We have earned 10,000 coin. For worker, I will buy now worker. No, I need more coins. This is our first bot. It's a huge project. Work in it and get paid after that. Now we return to our second bot. Our second bot. This is our second bot. Like you see, this is our second bot. When you collect, you click here. You can withdraw here in your wallet Ton wallet of your Telegram or other wallet as you want. Minimum is 100. For 100 you get $4. It's a huge opportunity to get $4 for free. All link will be in description. See you another mining video.